from the vacuum attachment on.
This is what happens when you bring your own tools, Pete. They put you to work.
Yeah, 1/2 inch through the existing material, the beam. 3/8 into the. I was thinking, John, once you're set up to get some blue tape and tape off the drill bits so they're all the same, you know. Take some blue tape and mark the thing so we know. Okay, now we wedge up along.
Can you hand me that wedge right there, Jenny?
And I think what I'd like to always understand why we had a little mistake on this one. And I don't think we reset the angle of the saw to do this side. Is that correct? That's correct. Okay, because we're not parallel, you know, we can't assume any of that, so that's why we need to move the wedge out.
That may be the right mark.
Did we center line it yet?
There's no center line, but there's these marks here.
We got these marks there.
So, we got a crown in there. We got to take it out.
Yeah.
We got a witness mark.
Just a little.
Hold. Remember? Okay. I thought we were done with that.
We put a witness mark on there.
No, look at.
I have to shave that down.
We don't want to hit it with a.
We had that problem before.
One more kiss.
When it gets that hot, does that wreck the temperature?
It can if you keep on going. But luckily, you worry about on those plug cutters, because they're so thin that the heat will screw them up faster.
But that's
That's a little beefier. Yeah.
much better. Much better.
It just never gets sharpened like everything else. See how bad without my steering? Yeah. Okay, you should be good.
All right.
But realize anytime that we're planing these down and you're getting close to that washer that's going to be your intersection, you can always pull that fastener out, finish your plane, and then countersink and put it back in. That's the beauty of it. Now you're going to go all the way down to the blue.
The blue.
And down to you. Yep.
You might want to be on this side here.
Is that the rasp, Pete?
I think so too.